You ever see a thumbnail that makes you just want to click on it? Maybe this one? If you're wondering how to create the same kind of excitement for your YouTube videos, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to YouTube video 2022. So let's get started. First you want to do is open Chrome, then type in YouTube Studio, and then just tap on the first option you see right here. If you want to open this through your app as well, you can do that. So your channel is going to open up. Now this is the dashboard. You want to go to your contents, which is the second option below the red highlighted option on your left corner right here. So click on this video icon. So these are my videos. So click on the video that you want to add thumbnail to. So I'm going to click on this first one. Now right at this middle section here, you can see thumbnail and you can see 3 different options. So the video at the top right corner, that's how it's going to look to the audience before they click on it. Now if you want to change it to any of these 3 options that it's showing and you're satisfied with it, you can just click on it and tap next at the bottom here, or just leave it and it will be saved in draft as is. Now if you want to upload a custom thumbnail, tap on upload thumbnail at this first option you see right here. So it will show you different images, and just tap on the image that you want as your thumbnail, and then click done at your top right corner. Now it has to be less than 2 MB. So as you can see, my thumbnail has been changed to the one that I just selected. Now you can see it's saving right here. If I cross this out, so that's it. It has now been saved as draft. If you want to go ahead and publish it, you can do that as well. You have learned how to successfully add a thumbnail to a YouTube video. If you want to learn how to import files on Cam Scanner, you can just click on that screen and it will take you right there. Till next time.